YouTube family, back with another vlog. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of what it looks like to be a content creator at Prime Car Wash.
Hi, my name's Scott Dixon and I'm the new general manager here at our Prime location in Westfield, Indiana. We're so incredibly excited to be here in Westfield at this great new location with our state-of-the-art facility, getting your car clean inside and outside. We're building a really fantastic team here in Westfield. A lot of hard-working folks who are really fun to work with, and we're very excited to be a part of this community, and we want you to come join us here in Westfield and be part of our team and join us here at Prime Car Wash. So click the link, apply today, set up your interview, and come join us at Prime Westfield.
Got my word ready.
You got it.
I got it.
Speak from the heart. Yeah.
After spending some time with Prime, I quickly realized the growth and opportunities that Prime has to offer. If you are ready to shift gears into a company that moves you, controlling your 19 way.
What?
Is that it?
I think you need to get B-roll of her doing that move.
Hey guys, my name is McKaylee. I'm the GM at the Avon location. I started working for Prime in 2020 as a production manager. After spending some time with Prime, I quickly realized the growth and the opportunities that Prime has to offer. If you are ready to shift gears into a company that moves you, click the link and join my team today. Is that good?
What up?
What's good, YouTube? We back with another vlog. Today I got my manager, Jess.
Your friend.
She's my manager too, marketing manager. And tell them what we're about to do today.
I'm about to go get messy in the car wash tunnel. We're gonna make some magic.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Yeah. Here, you put it where you want it.
That way it's not protected. Yeah, park it.
Still $71.
$9.
Prime Unlimited member and get your first month of unlimited washes for the cost of just one wash. That's right, for as little as $9 a month, you can make all the dirty cars jealous when you shine with Prime.
Yeah, thank you. I know. Holy cow.
How do you feel?
I'm so cold and so wet.
Let's get inside.
Oh, I need a towel or something.
Literally like ASAP.
What?
So like ASAP.
My gosh. Freaking pneumonia.
Yeah. We are.
Oh,
Yeah.
you are?
Yep. That's literally what we're doing. No.
Oh,
Yeah.
on the coldest day.
Right?
Oh my god.
You
Dry.
look so cold.
I'm so cold.
It is cold.
Thomas is cold too now.
Yeah. My camera.
Oh, I just need to wet off.
Alright, so this may be a good way to close the vlog out. It's been a crazy shoot day at prom. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.